welcome to my DIY kindness vlog today. I'm really excited for the topic that we're gonna have today. I don't know if you guys have seen, but on my Instagram there seems to be this trending idea of donating 40 bags in 40 days. And the more I thought about it, though it's a good idea, I was just like, why procrastinate it to 40 days? So today we're donating 40 bags in 40 hours. Let's just shorten the time, make it shorter. There's no reason to like hold on to stuff and do one bag a day. I just don't understand the reason people would do that. So we're gonna do a 40 hours, and honestly this seems like a really good idea, and I'm really wanting to do this because I really need to purge like a lot of stuff. I normally always donate a whole bunch of stuff during Christmas, and this year I didn't because it was just chaotic and I didn't get a chance. So I just feel like we're overwhelmed with stuff right now. So I'm glad to do this. I think it's going to be really useful, and hopefully it can be a blessing to somebody, whoever gets the things. I'm not donating everything to one place. Some stuff I'll send to Goodwill. Some stuff I'm going to send to some other places, or even some friends of mine. And hopefully we can get 40 bags. I'm kind of worried, you guys, that I won't be able to get 40 bags of things, but we're going to give it a go, and I hope you guys try this one too. So basically you guys are just gonna come with me. I hope it motivates you to maybe purge some stuff, get rid of some stuff. We always hold on to way more than we actually need, and I tend to be the kind of person who will just get rid of stuff. Like, I purge too much and then I'm usually like, oh my goodness, I wish I would have kept that. So hopefully no regrets, but definitely gonna purge as much as I can today and tomorrow. So we're doing this for 40 hours, which is really good because it helps me to like kind of slow down and go through each room, take my time and look through what I have, and then figure out what we're gonna get rid of. Let me know if you guys tried this. Even if you just do the 40 bags in 40 days, maybe you need 40 days to really work through it, or if you're gonna do it in 40 hours, or even if you're just gonna give one bag of things away, because 40 honestly is a lot. So even if you do one bag, that can be such a blessing to somebody. And so let me know if you guys tried this, and make sure you tag me and comment what it is you're gonna do. How many bags are you gonna actually get rid of? Okay, you guys, we're in my closet right now, which it's not like the most organized thing ever, but I've been thinking about this for a little while, and I think the best way to go about this is I'm going to just make like 40 piles of things. That way I know I have 40 bags worth. So that's my plan right now. Also, you guys, I was just outside and it's so windy. I did my hair and then stepped outside, and basically like that was just a minute ago, and it's so destroyed already. Like, so glad I spent all that time to do my hair. But so I had to clean in here the other day, so I just put a whole bunch of old clothes up here that we're not gonna wear anymore. My husband still has to go through a bunch of his clothes because I know that he probably has a lot of stuff to get rid of, so I'm gonna do that. My wedding dress is here. I feel like there's no good reason to keep it, but then I'm like, maybe my daughter will want, like, I don't think she's gonna want to wear my wedding dress, but she might want like some of the material for something some days. I don't know. That's the one thing I keep. But pretty much a lot of my clothes I'm gonna get rid of. Okay. So I told you guys that I am like the kind of person who will just purge everything, and if I need something later, I'll worry about it then. My daughter is totally the opposite way of me, and I can never get her to get rid of anything. Like, she clings to things. She's probably got a mountain of stuffed animals that she just keeps, that just are like put away, and she never plays with, she never looks at. But if I go in her room to ask her to like pick a couple to get rid of, she will freak out. And she'll be able to tell me like when she got it, who gave it to her. It's a problem. So honestly, there's probably a lot of stuff that she could get rid of. So wish me luck. We'll see if she actually lets me get rid of anything. Okay, you guys, when it comes to like giving stuff away, I am like pretty easy. I will just get rid of a lot of stuff, but when it comes to craft stuff, I want to keep everything. But all of these books, this is like adult books on this side, and this side is like kids books, and then pretty much all of this stuff is like dress up that my kids don't use anymore. So I could probably honestly clear out all of those, and I don't even think my kids would be upset about it. Their books, I think they've already gone through a few times. We have donated some books to the library, but I have not gone through the adult books very well. So I'm gonna go through those and see if there's any of those I can get rid of, and then probably get rid of all of that stuff, you guys, which these are totally, like, they are totally full of stuff. Hey you guys, it is the next day. So we are gonna continue. I got so overwhelmed with books yesterday. So I have to finish up going through books, and then I gotta go through my kids' rooms, and then we're gonna kind of like organize everything into piles of where it's gonna go as much as I can, and we're gonna go from there. Guys, my camera actually died. I didn't know its battery was so low. So this is actually my camera on my phone, and we're making progress. I've got some bags here. I'm probably just gonna see. This is like a set of We Bare Bears. If you guys don't watch that show, you should, because it is great. And probably just gonna see if anybody I know wants that cute little Halloween set. Here's Leo. We're going through her stuffed animals, and I'm really proud of her because I didn't think she would get rid of anything. Like, I didn't think she'd get rid of nothing, and she did. She picked a few things. She was like, you can get rid of those, and I didn't even like beg her or ask her or nothing. So that's a pretty good job. We have 2 more things to go through. I think they might be more like her favorite stuff. So I don't know if there's anything in them, but we're gonna go look through them real quick just to see what's in them.
My favorite.
And I didn't even go through Levi's stuff because I'm like constantly going through his stuff because he plays with like nothing. So keep. What did you name this person? Betty. Betty is from IKEA. IKEA does some pretty great stuffed animals sometimes.
That's from Lily.
From her best friend, so she's got to keep it forever. I don't even know where that one came from.
I do. I didn't get Lingo. It was at a game place.
Oh, like an arcade?
Yeah.
Oh,
I forgot what it's called. Maybe it was Dave and Buster's.
Dave and Buster's, yeah. Did you win that one?
I got a claw machine.
Ooh, claw machine.
I want to.
So she has to keep it because it came from a claw machine and it was something she won.
I tried to get.
This is like her 3rd. Is this your 3rd? From 4th. That's her 4th. From what's that place called?
Build-A-Bear.
From Build-A-Bear. That's her 4th one. What are we doing with that one, Leo?
I'm keeping it.
Keeping it.
I like the ones from Build-A-Bear.
I mean, you built it.
Actually, I could get this one away.
Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. I already know the answer on this one. Llama. Keep.
I could give it away. It's a pillow.
Razzle's pillow.
I don't use it.
That's pretty.
I remember winning where I got it.
What about, can I throw it away?
No.
She doesn't let me throw anything away, even if it needs to get thrown away.
That's I just like that one too.
And she's got a, oh, she's even got pants on.
I accessorized her.
Ooh, accessorized. You know, she's a little damaged, but she can pull off the accessories nicely. So.
I just put the bow on her ear so to cover.
Is that me?
That's me. Sarah.
Creepy.
Wait, what? It's not creepy. It's not creepy.
Creepy monkey baby.
No. It's not creepy.
It's a creepy monkey baby, but what?
Wait, I'll show her.
Look at the hair. I think she's seen it before.
Yeah, you can look.
Wait, so what?
This is my doll.
Oh, your stuffed animal?
One of my dolls is kind of creepy.
She's also very accessorized.
I'm a little worried. Why is it so... Wait, is it supposed to be a monkey baby or is it
Yes.
just supposed to be a doll?
It's a monkey.
Okay. Do you like it or do you like... What is that?
I like it. I liked it.
Yeah.
Hey you guys. So I apologize because it has been a day. My camera died. Didn't even know the battery was dead, but it died, and so I tried using my phone for a while, and that just doesn't go super well. Like, it's okay, but you know, charged my camera, back on my camera. What is this, like my third outfit change? I'm just in pajamas. Look how like, what is that even? Is that a stain? What is that? Pajamas, just rocking some pajamas. I don't know what happens, but when you, let me know if this happens to you guys, but basically, turn on some more lights in here, first of all. Ooh. Basically, when you do this, like, anticipate your house to get much, much dirtier, before it gets cleaner, because I've got piles upon piles everywhere in my house right now. And, you know, I'm sure there's a much more organized way to go about this, but I'm apparently not taking that route. I'm taking the messy piles everywhere route. And so I do not have enough bags for this either. I realized I do not have 40 bags. So I'm just gonna make 40 piles, and then I will bag those up later as I can, or maybe like just stuff a bunch of trash bags to the very rim as long as I can carry it. We'll see. Some stuff I do have that people have claimed, so I'm gonna set those things aside, and we are gonna finish this video. I'm gonna finish making our donating piles. We are gonna count out 40 piles, and if you guys can hear my son in the background, and then we're gonna go donate a large sum of this to Goodwill, and then the other stuff I'm just gonna put to the side because I'm gonna be donating it to other people and different places. But the majority of this, if I can fit it all in my car, we are going to just go drop off at Goodwill today. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so this, let's be honest, this has got to be more than 40 piles of stuff. Like, it is crazy. I'm like, I don't know if I'm like impressed or like very disturbed that my family had that much stuff that we were just holding on to and not using. Plus, I have a whole bunch of throw pillows over here that have got to go as well. Not this one. But a bunch of throw pillows that need to go as well. Crazy. Found a bean bag that my kids don't use anymore. Chai's having the time of her life, like crawling all over the stuff. Bunch of clothes, bunch of books, my daughter's old keyboard. All those bags are filled with toys and clothes and different things. I gotta go through them still. So, it is a lot. Tons of DVDs. I'm pretty sure, honestly, if I had to fill all these up, I think it would be more than even 40 bags. Let's start piling this stuff up into my car and go drop it off. I look a mess. I totally look like a mess, but Who cares, right? We're just gonna go drop this stuff off real quick, and you guys have to see my car because it is crazy. And this is like with leaving a ton of stuff here to give away. Check this out. And there's stuff like down under the seats down there. All of that's piled up. Oh no, I can't even close it. Okay, let's try that again. No. Can't fit. Success. Hey you guys, I'm actually leaving Goodwill right now, and I just wanted to tell you guys something that happened really quickly, and maybe it's not a big deal, I don't know, but I thought it was pretty cool, and so I just want to share it. But as I was getting all of my stuff out of my car, you guys know I had a ton of stuff. There was a girl here, she was unloading stuff too, and just striking up a conversation with each other, and she was really kind and just offered to give me a trash bag because she's seen I didn't have a bag, and I'm like carrying all these loads over there, and she had some extra trash bags, so she gave me one, and I was able to pile up a bunch of stuff in those and just make my life easier. And then she helped me carry the rest of the loads over there, and I was about to leave, but I felt like the Lord was prompting me to go talk to her again, and so I did. I got out and just told her, you know, like, I just feel like the Lord wants me to pray with you about something. And you know, we just had a really good talk, and she was just like, hey, I'm a hugger too, and I hadn't even said that. I know you guys know I am a hugger, and I will like hug people all the time. So I just stood in this parking lot of this Goodwill and hugged, her name was Jennifer, hugged a complete stranger, had a moment with her where we just exchanged stuff about our life and just told each other that we'd be praying for each other, complete strangers, and it was really awesome. And so I'm thankful. I'm just so thankful that today I decided I would do this challenge. Like, sometimes it seems like we do things and we don't understand the reason why we're doing it. Like, what's the reason why I'm donating a bunch of stuff? Like, that's hopefully kind for somebody who's gonna buy it or find it, you know, but also it was because God knew at this moment I would be able to run into Jennifer and have this moment. So anyways, I'm just gonna close out this video letting you guys know that that happened right now, and how at least it was an encouragement to me. And it's also getting pretty dark here, so 40 hours, 2 days, and 40 probably plus. Let's be honest, that was a lot of stuff. 40 plus bags at least. And let me know, as always, if you guys try this. If you do, make sure you tag me so I can share on all of my social media platforms, and let me know where I should have donated some stuff to if you wouldn't donate to Goodwill, because I know it's not everybody's favorite place to donate to. Where should I have donated to? Let me know in the comments below, and I hope you guys have a good day. See you later. Bye.